Guys, today I'm going to show you the perfect Korean wings. It's crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. These Korean wings are coated with a sweet, spicy, and garlicky glaze that packs the perfect umami punch. The sticky sauce caramelizes beautifully, creating an irresistible balance of heat and sweetness. It's so finger licking delicious. Okay, guys, first we have the chicken over here. We're gonna make this chicken dry. We're gonna dredge the chicken in flour and starch to dry it up. First ingredient is cornstarch. It's 1 tablespoon. A little bit of salt. A little bit of garlic powder. I'm gonna use rice flour. That's about a 1/4 cup of rice flour. I'm just mixing it together. Now I'll toss the chicken in there. So it's coated all the way through.
You want them dry.
You want this dry.
Yes, dry. So then when they cook, they get crispy.
So when they cook now, it will get nice and crispy. Now we're going to put the chicken on a baking tray. First, air fry this for 20 minutes at 375. And now for making the sauce that goes on the chicken. Okay, we got some gochujang sauce right here. It's 1 spoon of it, and I'll show you in a few minutes what the ingredients are. This does have yeast, so check the ingredients to see if it agrees with you. I like it extra hot, but you have different flavors as well. But this is how it looks like, and this comes in any Asian store. Okay, just add about a 1/4 cup of water to get the sauce moving. Then some rice wine vinegar and about 1 or 2 tablespoons of this. Just mixing it all together. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. I'm going to use some liquid aminos.
Just a few drops.
Mix this all together.
Okay.
Oh, it smells so good.
And some sesame oil.
This two,
Toasted sesame oil.
2 teaspoons of it. 5 minutes or so in total
On low heat.
on low heat.
Don't want this to burn. Taste it.
How does it taste?
Taste.
It had a little zing of acidity followed by a little tartness. Just put a little bit of cornstarch in there to make it thick.
Good. Taste it.
That's very tasty.
Yeah, I know what I mean.
Now we just have to wait for the chicken to be done. Okay, so after 20 minutes of cooking, we're going to go ahead and flip this and continue cooking for another 5 or 10 minutes. So for 10 minutes at 450 degrees this time, and air fry. After 10 minutes, it's looking nice, really nice. Oh yeah, wow, nice and crispy. Okay, now we're gonna add the chicken to the sauce. And I'm tossing this. And now for the final touch, we got these sesame seeds. I'm going to sprinkle the sesame seeds on the chicken as well. Give it a nice crunch to it. Okay, so now it's time for the taste test. I'm gonna go for this one right here. It's looking so nice and shiny. So crunchy. And look at the thick, it's like a thick layer too. This around is so good. And a nice tangy flavor. And the sauce is so tasty. I'm just licking my fingers, it's so good. Guys, you need to try this, guys. It's gluten-free, dairy-free, so tasty, and you just can't have one. You'll have to go, end up going for the rest of the wings as well. Thank you for watching this, guys. Don't forget to give this a like and subscribe for more gluten-free, dairy-free, and tomato-free recipes. And have a great day. So good.
Yeah, no, I made it.